In this video, I'm making a unicorn-themed no-bake cheesecake. For the base, I'm using 100 grams of Digestive biscuits. Put them in a sandwich bag and crush. You could use a food processor for this if you have one. And then I'm going to melt 40 grams of butter and mix it in with the crushed biscuits. Once it's all mixed in, it should resemble wet sand. Now I'm going to press this into the base of a 7-inch round cake pan. I'm using the bottom of a glass to press it in firmly. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for some time. I'm adding 500 grams of cream cheese into my mixer bowl, along with 120 grams of sugar. Run the mixer on medium speed until it's soft and creamy. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and add 250 milliliters of cream. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water to 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder and let it bloom for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to melt it in the microwave and add it to the cheesecake mixture. Once it's all mixed well, I divided the batter equally into 4 containers. You could use a scale to divide the batter or just eyeball it. And I colored each with pink, blue, purple and yellow. Then I'm going to pour this into the base one by one. So first I'll use the purple and then put it back in the refrigerator for about half an hour or so until it's set. Then pouring the blue, again wait for it to set, then yellow and finally pink. Here I've got it out of the cake pan. I wrapped a tea towel soaked in hot water around the pan to loosen the edge, so that way it came out very easily. Now I'm using the Wilton 2D tip to pipe some whipped cream on top.